solidarity events that a attack that took place over the weekends on our beloved mosque. Without saying any words, we'll start off reciting the verse from the Quran. With that, I'll call on the principal of weekend school to recite for us a verses as a blessing. Ustad Nasir, welcome to the stage.
أولئك عليهم صلوات من ربهم ورحمة وأولئك هم المفلحون. To just give you a brief summary of the verses that I've just read, this is from the second chapter of the Holy Quran, where Allah, or our God, is telling us to be patient at this time of calamity, tragedy, or at this time of issues when we face challenges like this. God says, "Oh, you believe, استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة." Seek patience through prayers and through patience, and God, or Allah, is with those who are patient. And God also says, you will be tested. You will be tested with your wealth, with your life, God taking your loved one away from you, and you will be tested with everything that you have. We will test you with anything. And God says the best of you, when you get tested, those who are not reacting but who proacts and be patient with God and accept challenges and tribulations or tragedy, all comes from God, and knows that we are from God, and understood that we also return back to God. And those people will enjoy the peace and tranquility from God, and mercy and blessings, and all the bounties will be bestowed upon them because of their patient resistance and having a strong patience. So through this, we want to welcome you to Tawfiq Islamic Center. Our Excellency, General Attorney K.Z. Ellison, Our Excellency, our Councilman Jamal Osman, and the neighbors from Seward, Longfellow, and Cedar, welcome. This is your home. You are not outsiders. Our tragedy is your tragedy. Our attack is your attack. Thank you for coming, and I want to welcome you with the best Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
The community members, the leaders, Attorney General, Brother Jamal, I want to thank you for coming out to support us today. And I was just going to go briefly over what happened.